This is unboxing review for rolling TV car by Sylvox. Rolling TV car, perfect for outdoor all-weather TV. So they're already open. This is the pieces and they come with instruction. And let's put it together. With these tools, and you gotta use this wrench and tight this screw here. So you use this wrench to tight. My friend is ready tight. You do exactly the same with the other leg. They come in 2 legs and 4 wheels. So you do exactly the same. With the little wrench, you screw and tight. So use the screws in here, the letter B, and the pull in here. Screw it. So don't screw it all the way inside. So leave it like this little finger here. So this is your measure, and right there, you leave it in there. Don't screw all the way inside. This is the mounting tray, and you put it in here. So you gotta use this tool. You gotta screw it here. So now you tight, and you gotta put the other screw B, and you put in the hole in here too. They gotta do the same with the other leg. Remember, use these screws B right here. The other one. Let's put the pillar. They go in here. Let's put the other one. Let's go in here. Let's gotta use the C screws. Gotta put one like that. And you gotta screw it and do the other one the same. And you gotta do the same thing the other side, the same screws, the C. You put the hanging board in here. You screw in here this screw in the other one, and the other side the same. So let's gotta use the B screws with these tools. So they have 40 screws. I already put this one. So you gotta put the other one here. You gotta use this one to tight right there. It's ready tight. So use the other side, exactly the same. Remember, I have another screw ready. I already put it, and you gotta use the other one over here. So this is the mount for the TV. So you put it right here. Put the other one here, and you lock in the back, and it's ready. So you can adjust the height of the TV. Okay, this is the other piece. Gotta use the screws. So in the back, you gotta use the same screw D, and they go in the back. For the camera mount, you gotta use the same screw, the D. You gotta screw in here. These pieces, you gotta use it when you mount in the TV. Rolling caster with secure lock. And you have the other side the same. Easy to move with 360 degrees. Good for 43 to 55 inches TV maximum. Weight 176 pounds. Very stable locks onto the TV mount. This can hold cameras, projectors, or another device. This has a space for the remote control. Keep the cable here and other wires. Strong alloy steel material. Check this out.